Nau Mai. Hi, my name is Callum.
And Watara WINTON School, I'm Josh. Welcome to N.E.W.S News Para'apa, the 1st of July.
Okay, we start the day with Te Kupu or Te Wiki.
This week's word is whaka, which is te rua from mirror.
You're so beautiful.
Ka pai, Ra'apa is a library day, open from 12:40 to 1:10 for browsing, issues and returns.
There are librarians ready to help and it's nice and warm. Remember to leave your shoes at the door.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or you can read all the notices in the textbook
below. School choir news, you have no practice today.
Next rehearsal is at Friday after lunch.
Okay, a reminder about the grass areas around the school that are out of bounds. Most students are thinking carefully about where to play and making wise choices in the playground.
This includes icy areas, so please reduce the risk of serious injuries and stay away from the ice. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Inter-house competition news. The Year 1 and 2 finals
and Year 7, 8 finals of the paper plane challenge is tomorrow.
So all Year 1, 2, 7 and 8 paper plane finalists meet in the hall at lunchtime tomorrow.
Basketball news. All players with Winton basketball singlets, please return them to Mrs. Reed in the office. Thank you.
On Thursday, the whole school will have a chance to look at our wonderful Year 7 and 8 social science fair entries.
They will be on display in the library at lunchtime. Please go have a look. They're really interesting.
No birthdays today at WINTON School, but we did miss Lauren Chambers yesterday, turning 9.
Sorry, Lauren. Hope you have had a great day.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S News team, ka kite au popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the mud WINTON School.